portion. Okay. So perfect. Yes, good. Perfect. That's it. And hold it. Yes, press it with the other. Yes, nice. Inject and come out slowly. Perfect. Very nice. So what are we doing, Apurva? Just have a look here. What are you doing now?
I am placing fillers.
With canula.
Canula.
With fixing jawline and marionette lines. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now Apurva will go from here. She'll go straight and then go a little bit up.
I'll go straight.
No, you'll go straight like this. Wait. Straight and then up.
Okay.
And then fill this area up.
This area.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Exactly. No. You'll have to go a little bit straight. Yes. Now change the direction. Yes. Turn around. Go up. Yes. Perfect. Very nice. Yes.
Yeah. I'm here.
Press now. Press and come out. Perfect.